And we are in front of the Roland Steam Livingstone Duo XL, a perfect campervan if you want to carry your bikes or an actual scooter or motor. Well, let's get inside to check all the specs. And getting inside, we are seeing the new Fiat Ducato chassis, automatic, great light dome, white captain chairs, and also white sitting area with this great folding design table with slide out. One big cabinet right there, two cabinets on the side, control unit, Truma heating element to control CP Plus, and then additional kitchen space with large two burner stoves and the sink. Large for your actual food or something from the kitchen. Three large cabinets, that's pretty standard for the Trigano group. And this roller team. On the side we have the toilet. Well, it's pretty dark, but it's a standard toilet with cassette and the standard design. From this part we have the Thetford 90-liter fridge on the lower part and big cabinet, and one of the hero from these parts are big storage units, 4 of them all around. And then, well, let's try to light up. No, we don't have light right now, but measuring the bed from the actual part to the actual cover is 1.876, but to the door is 2 meters long. And I will be measuring the garage from the outside, getting to the back. So we get this amazing garage where you can actually carry one bike, because, well, one longer bike all the way down there, or a lot of them on this part. And we get to the longest part approximately 1.868, and on this part we are getting 1.949. And if we measure the larger part right here, you're getting 1.0. And then if we measure the bed to the widest part, we are getting 1.931. And on the longest part, measuring from here, we are getting 1.930. So a pretty wide bed, can sleep 2 or probably 3 people. And when you lower it down, then this part goes in and you get this, making your bed even wider. So not a bad configuration overall. Yes, this is the Livingstone Duo XL Select from a roller team based on the Fiat Ducato chassis. Getting here to finish off.